YouTube, it's your boy Kels FX, and I'm back with another video, man. So yeah, it's another video, and I'm back with my grind. So yeah, we got Euro AUD with me right here, and this, you can clearly see that this market was going lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then went from lower low from a bearish market to higher high, to higher low, and then higher high, higher low, higher high, and then lower low. Now the only thing we'll be waiting for is a retest to that structure point, to that support and resistance, and then we'll be pushing it to the downside like that. And that zone, that is where we'll be looking for areas of entries. So yeah, that's what we'll be waiting for on the daily time frame and the dollar time frames. And as you can clearly see that this support slash resistance is very strong and is very supported. And as you can clearly see, this market is very clean to me. It was creating higher high, higher low, and then higher high, and then after that it went from lower low to the lower high. The lower high, that's where we'll be looking to enter the trade around about there, waiting for a shifted structure at the same time, and then that retest push to the downside just like that. So yeah, these some gems should be tapping in for real. And yeah, that's the only thing we'll be waiting for. And this is one of my A+ setups that I know guaranteed to make profits from guaranteed YouTube. So yeah, man, this is the trade for Euro AUD and what I'm expecting from Euro AUD this week. And yeah, TP is the next structure point. That's what we can be waiting for. Next is GBP CAD. GBP CAD was such a lovely trade. And if you have to check that this market was creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, and I forgot about the structure point. YouTube, sorry, but that's also a structure point. And then it went from higher high to higher high, higher low, and then lower low. And we're waiting for it to retest structure to that one, for it to push to the downside YouTube. So that's basically what we'll be waiting for. And if you clearly look, there is a head and shoulders pattern which was creating, which shows that it's getting to push to the downside. And yeah, man, really excited for this trade. This is my B+ setups, another clean trade that I'm really looking for, man. Really looking forward to, and we shall see how it goes this week. But I love this trade, I would love it. Yeah, it's a really good trade. And if I to clearly check on the weekly time frame, that is also a strong support. So it's currently on support, but that's high. It's a really supported zone, and I like it for that. And we'll be also waiting for a simple retest so that zone, like such as it has done right now. If you clearly look, and if it can have a deeper pullback to that zone, I'll be even more happy. But if it doesn't, that's okay. The only thing I'll be waiting for is a retest and push to the downside. That's all. And as you can clearly see, this market was also creating lower low, lower high, lower low, and then higher high, higher low, higher high. And if it can possibly go higher for me, I'd be more than happy, because that just shows how it's preparing to push the downside, and that retest of structure push the downside, and we just made our break like that. So yeah, that's basically the trade for GBP CAD, my B+ setups, YouTube. Yeah, so yeah, really excited about this trade. And yeah, let's see how it shall go. Go YouTube, you should subscribe YouTube. This is some gems, serious gems, man. And then we got Euro JPY. There's a problem here. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, but yeah, there's a problem here. I'm breaking my rules by taking this trade. I'm breaking my rules. I'm breaking some serious rules. But other than that, let me show you what's going on. This is another trade that I'm looking forward to for like themselves. And if you have to clearly look that this market is going lower low and then lower high, getting ready to push to the downside like that. And if you properly check that this market has some kind of head and shoulders pattern, let me show you fast. So if you check, it's cool. Right left shoulder, head, and it's potentially creating the right shoulder, so I don't know, it might possibly move to the outside. The only thing we'll be waiting for is for a retest to that support zone, and as you can clearly see, looks like a nice lovely support zone. Yeah, that's the problem with YouTube. As you can see, why I'm saying I'm breaking my rules is because I usually wait for the time frames to align, and which you can see they are not aligning. I'll be usually waiting for maybe the daily and 4 hour to be bearish, but unfortunately there is not. And if you clearly look here, YouTube, like there's a left shoulder here, right shoulder right there, getting ready to retest, showing that it's possibly gonna move to the downside. Hey man, it's getting ready to move to the downside, YouTube. So I'm really excited for that. And as you know by now, I'm sure you know by now, we're waiting for it. Retest, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then lower low, retest, push to the downside. Simple. That's how we make our trade. I'm sure you got the scenario by now. So yeah, so that's what I'll be really waiting for in this trade. So I'm really excited for it. Really excited. And yeah, man, that's Euro JPY. Next we got GBP JPY, YouTube. GBP JPY. Now this, I would say, it's kind of the worst setup for this out of all of the trades. This is the worst setup that I got. But let me show you what's going on. Let me show you what's going on YouTube. You know what I'm saying, with my fam. So yeah, YouTube, as you can clearly see, the weekly time frame is currently on the support level. Just came back to test the previous structure, as you can clearly see it right there, and was going lower low, and then higher high, and then higher low, and then higher high. Now we're just gonna wait for the retest for the potential to push to the upside. So that's what it is gonna wait for. And if you go down to the lower time frames, you can clearly see it did retest previous structure right there, previous structure, showing that it is getting ready to push, and that we have a rejection from the 50 daily EMA. And what I don't like about this trade, YouTube, is that there's like some kind of head and shoulders pattern showing that it's possibly has a higher chance of moving to the downside. That's why it's probably my worst trade, and I don't like it like that, YouTube. So yeah, man, even though it's not a clear head and shoulders pattern, but I don't like it, YouTube. So yeah, man, YouTube, yeah, that's my trades for the week. That's my trades for the weekend. What I'm possibly expecting, these are all of them. Euro AUD, number 1 GBP CAD, number 2 Euro JPY, number 3. Those are the top 4 trades. And